Today we'll walk through installing a roller shade. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Our first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. We recommend measuring at least 1 inch from the back of the window frame for easy installation and removal. Drill the marked points, and then screw in the brackets. Lift the headrail and slide the front side of the bracket into the top groove. Then push the back side up until it locks into place. Hearing a click ensures your shade is positioned correctly. Then, attach the clear handle. Test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement. We also want to check for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.